Hello everyone! Julia and little Cherry are here. Today you will learn how to draw Rudolph. So guys, what you will need for drawing Rudolph today? You will need paper, pencil and something to color with. It could be crayons, color pencils, markers, whatever you have at home. We wish you a happy drawing, guys, so let's start and have some fun! Okay guys, let's start drawing our Rudolph. So, we will start drawing our Rudolph from his eyes. So I will put my Rudolph in the center. And if you are going to make a postcard, then you probably will decide to draw on this part and then just fold a piece of paper and make a postcard of it. I will just draw Rudolph in the center, so I'm drawing one circle, it will be its eye, and another one. If something goes wrong, you always can rub it out and correct. And that's why I'm using a pencil at the beginning. And then I will draw one more circle inside and one more inside and a little spotlight to make his eyes look shiny. And now I will draw his nose. So I will draw this part like a squished oval and then a smaller squished oval inside. It will be his nose and a spotlight here. And just a smiley face for our Rudolph. And now we will draw a semi-oval. So we will draw an oval like this. So our Rudolph is almost ready. Now let's draw his antlers. So Rudolph has a red nose and antlers because he is actually like a reindeer, and all reindeers have the antlers. So I will go with a curved line going up and then going down like this, and then almost repeating and going up and down, and a smaller one. So it looks pretty cool. And the same we will draw here. So we will draw a line going up and then straight, and then we will go down and up like this. And if they're not pretty similar, so nothing is actually identical in nature, so it can be a little bit different. And now let's draw his ears. So I will draw a line here and then go down like this, and then draw a line repeating this pattern, and the same we go here, curved line and down and repeat it. So he's pretty cool. And you can also draw his hair up and down, up and down like this. So it's really a cool reindeer. And I will also draw Christmas lights on his antlers. So I will draw a curved line going like this way. And now I will draw a light, just a straight line here and then curved one. And repeating the same here, straight line and curved one, straight line and curved one. And you can draw as many as you wish and create your own shape, and then you can rub all unnecessary lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I will draw 7 ones. So, and then I will color them. And now let's draw his collar with with jingle bells. So I will draw a line here and connect them. Now I will draw a curved line here and then just a ball shape. Then I will draw a curved line and then crossing line and one more here like this. So let's draw his body. I will draw, it's very simple, like not too long, just like an oval. So we will go with an oval shape here and then just connect it slightly like this. I will draw a line down and up and few spots here. Now let's draw his tail. I will draw a curved line and then just go down and connect in another line like this for the tail. And now let's draw his legs. So I will be drawing them pretty simple line and a little bit going on the right direction and connecting with the curved line and making this pattern, and then just repeating, but pay attention to make a little step because it is further, so we will just move it from us. And the same we'll draw like here, keep it on one level, so draw a line on one level and then try to put it on earth, and then we will repeat with his fourth leg like this. So our reindeer is ready, guys, and now all we have to do is just to color it, and you can draw your snowflakes, maybe some Christmas decorations, whatever you wish, guys. Let's color our reindeer. Okay, guys, let's color our Rudolph from its bright red nose, and that makes him different from other reindeers. So he has a bright red nose, and I leave this white spotlight to make it bright and shine. And let's color his eyes. I will make them blue, and you can make them blue or maybe brown, or maybe you will decide to make them green. Why not? And now I will be coloring this part with light brown, and you can also use like pencils, or maybe you will decide also to use markers or crayons. So we're just following shading, following the shape like a little bit with curved lines. I'm shading it. And no rush here, just take your time, relax and enjoy drawing. And this part I will also color light, and the same will go for his tail, and here I will make the spots light, and we can color his legs, make them light, and then I will use dark brown for other parts. And we also can color his antlers with this light brown as well, just to use one color for the spots, and leave the space for Christmas lights so we can color them with bright colors. So, and here we also just trying not to go out black lines, and look, it's already looks like a real, and his hair can also color it. It's like a real reindeer and very cute and adorable, and it will be a great present for your family and friends. And I will use brown, a little bit darker for his ears and other parts. So like this. And now I will be coloring his head and leaving the space for the lights. And you can also draw not only Rudolph but other reindeers, but Rudolph has red nose and it's bright, and it helps to show the way to his friends. So that is why Rudolph is different, and he is the youngest of Santa Claus's reindeers, and that is why I love him. And here we go. So we will add spotlights with white pencil or pen, or you can just leave some white space just to make this parts of our reindeer to look bright. And I will color his body and going around Jingle Bell. I will color it yellow, I think, and you can use yellow or maybe a orange for it. And if you like drawing with me and Cherry, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel to support me and to see more videos. And our Rudolph is looking forward for Christmas, and maybe we will decide to draw some Christmas presents for him, why not? And now I will be coloring our Jingle Bell, and I will use a darker yellow for this part. So just, and you can use light brown, or maybe you will decide to use red for his collar. So I will use red like this. And now let's color Christmas lights. So I will be coloring with different colors, and you can color them only yellow or maybe only green, but I will be using different colors for Christmas lights, and blue one, of course, and maybe even purple and pink and green, and I need one more color, so I will make it maybe I will make it orange, so I will just color it orange. Yeah. And you can also draw some snow for our Rudolph, and you can use light gray for it, or maybe light blue, just to show that our reindeer is running on the snow. It's not in the air, it's really standing on the snow like this. And you can draw as many snowflakes as you wish, or maybe we will draw just a stick here and we'll write what we will write. Let's write like Rudolph, why not? So I will draw a straight line here and one more straight line here, and then connecting them, and then I will draw a circle on the top and crossing lines like this, and then I will draw a flag. So I will just draw curved line and repeat in this way and connecting, and then we can write Rudolph with red pen or red marker. So we will just write, yeah, I will use a marker for it, and I will write So it's waving and lines are going different directions. So, and we will color the stick. And you can make it blue and even color on the flag itself. Or I will just make these lines to show in bright blue, and then I will just shade it with pencils. So I will just use blue pencil and shade it just to leave the letters bright. And so now we can just drop a few shadows under the Rudolph, like this. And I will also use white pen to drop some spotlights, just to make our drawing really cute, bright. And on the lights as well. And you can drop some lights on the top of his ears, and maybe on this part, on the top of the hair, and here as well. So on the collar, belt. And you see how it's already popping up, so it's really look like a really cute reindeer. And here as well. And let's drop lights here. So it's really cute drawing we have created today, guys. And I really love our Rudolph. He's so playful and so cool. And look, guys, how lovely is our Rudolph. Well done, guys. This is just the cutest Rudolph I have ever seen. Well done. Thank you for watching this video, guys. We hope you enjoyed drawing Rudolph with us, and we love drawing with you. If you like our lessons, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see our next video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Happy Christmas. Bye bye.